Sometimes you find a great photo that would be perfect for your work, but you can't use it because of copyright issues. But don't worry, there's a solution. You can create a similar image using AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech and Adult, your go-to place for incredible tech tips, mind-blowing tricks, and the latest in the world of technology. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, open Google and visit this amazing website that offers a powerful AI tool. Once you're there, start by uploading the image you want to recreate using AI. After selecting your image, click the Submit button and wait for the process to complete. It might take a little time, so be patient. Once it's done, the tool will generate a prompt based on your uploaded image. Now, go to another platform that supports AI image generation. Look for the image creation section and paste the prompt you just received. Next, choose your preferred image format to make sure it meets your needs. Once everything is set, click Generate and let the AI do its magic. After a short wait, your newly generated image will be ready. You can now easily download it to your device and use it however you like. Right in. Simply click the link in the description below and head over to the Technodoll platform, where everything is broken down step by step. It's all there to help you master the process with ease.